Why are you on top of those coal hoppers? Why are you giving me the sus look? Are you gonna fly? Are you gonna get on that red caboose? Better watch out for my 87546 custom right there. Ooh. What are you doing? You better not take off. Are you going inside? Come on, Snoopy. What are you gonna do? Oh, he's gonna fly. I know he's gonna fly. He has flown out of the cage a few times. And look inside. There's actually a bird's house inside. That's what my mom put inside. So big props to my mom. Oh, are you actually gonna get inside the cage? Oh, there he goes. Yep, just what I thought. And now he's eating. That's cute.